Mrs. Bumble's Garden and the Roaming Rooster. In the middle of the bustling town sat the greenest garden you ever did see. Every morning, exactly at sunrise, Barnaby the rooster would let out a loud cock-a-doodle-doo! That was the signal for Mrs. Bumble to clap her hands and shout, "Up and at 'em, team! The sun is awake and so are the squashes!" Leo and Mia would groan, roll out of bed, and stumble to the garden. They loved the flowers, but oh, how they missed their cozy pillows. One evening, while watering the thirsty tomatoes, Leo had an idea. "If Barnaby didn't crow," he whispered to Mia, "Mrs. Bumble wouldn't know the sun was up. Then we could sleep until noon." Mia giggled. "Let's give Barnaby a vacation." So very gently, they moved Barnaby and his coop into the thick, soundproof berry shed at the back of the garden. They gave him extra corn and a soft cushion so he would sleep late, too. The next morning, the sun came up, but the garden was silent. No crowing. But Mrs. Bumble didn't sleep in. Oh, no. Without her alarm, she woke up in a panic. "Is it late? Is it early? Did I miss the morning dew?" She rushed to Leo and Mia's houses and knocked loudly on their windows. "Wake up! Wake up!" she cried. "I don't know what time it is, so we better start extra early just to be safe." It was still pitch black outside. Leo and Mia stumbled into the garden. It was so dark, they had to wear headlamps. "This is terrible," groaned Leo, tripping over a pumpkin. "It's worse than before," yawned Mia, watering a rock by accident. Mrs. Bumble was running around nervously. "We must hurry! The sun might surprise us any second." The plan had backfired completely. Instead of sleeping in, they were working under the moon. Finally, the sun actually rose. Leo and Mia couldn't take it anymore. They ran to the berry shed and let Barnaby out. "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" he crowed happily, blinking in the light. Mrs. Bumble stopped running. She looked at the rooster, then at the tired children. "We moved him so we could sleep," Mia admitted, "but we just made everyone worry." Mrs. Bumble looked at their tired faces and realized something too. "Oh, my dears," Mrs. Bumble chuckled warmly. "I suppose I have been a bit too strict with the clock." They made a new deal. Barnaby would stay in the coop, but Mrs. Bumble bought a gentle alarm clock for herself. And the garden work? It started an hour later, after a good breakfast. Leo, Mia, Mrs. Bumble, and even Barnaby sat together on the bench, enjoying the morning sun. Sometimes the best time to work is after a good rest.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.